Hey everybody, welcome back. So I want to show you a cool little feature here called code folding. And what this will do is it'll help you manage your code a little bit better, just like we did in the last video with bookmarks. Um, so you can see here we have fold start and fold end, but this isn't doing anything. We want this part to actually hide our code, but in order to do that, we have to enable something called code folding. So hit edit, go preferences, and then just scroll down and you're going to see it here. Go ahead and click that and hit close. And now you can see that we have these little minus icons on the side of our code here, right? So what that allows us to do, say we're done coding a specific section, then all you do is hit that minus and it'll hide all that code. All right, so this allows you to very easily organize your code. So I went from 700 lines, I mean, it's still 700 lines, it's just hiding it, but down to a few so we can easily navigate between it, right? So what if we didn't want to do it specifically by function? Well, then you can do this. You can put a fold start and fold end. So let me go to a section where it's not at. All right, so this whole thing, what I can do is do fold start, right? And then at the very bottom, I can do fold end. And now I can hide all that code. So fold start, fold end allows you to custom set a fold section, whereas AppGameKit Studio will automatically fold loop structures like while loops, do loops, functions, rem starts, so for comments, select and end select, case and case, for loops, if and end ifs, and repeat loops. But all right, that's going to be it for this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.